To transition to sustainable energy, electric cars are crucial, and it matters whether they are adopted sooner or later. For decades, scientists and inventors have flirted with the concept of a water engine, but their attempts often hit insurmountable roadblocks. However, Elon Musk, known for pushing the boundaries of technology, has provided a fascinating insight. His revelation might just revolutionize the transportation industry at all levels. Why run this crazy experiment, where we take trillions of tons of carbon from underground and put it in the atmosphere and oceans? This is an insane experiment. People are asking exciting questions. Is water a viable source of fuel? What other innovative solutions are available for transportation problems? Join us as we unravel how Elon Musk went public with the new engine that changes everything. Elon Musk's introduction of a new energy source surprised his followers on X, formerly called Twitter, with a significant change in Tesla's direction. After years of skepticism, Musk announced that in 2024, Tesla would shift from batteries to hydrogen power. This unexpected move was emphasized as he revealed the first vehicle using this new fuel source would be named the Model H. It was a shocking decision since he once referred to hydrogen fuel cells as fool cells and considered the technology mind-bogglingly stupid. But now, he has completely reversed his stance. This shift is credited to challenges in mass-producing the 4,600 kilowatt-hour battery, leading the company to reconsider its approach and opt for hydrogen power. It has been proven that water itself can't be a fuel, just like carbon dioxide. Both are combustion products, and turning them into actual fuels or energy carriers requires additional energy inputs. This is where the laws of thermodynamics come into play. They dictate that the energy needed to create a fuel will inevitably surpass the energy obtained when using that fuel. That's why instead of water, hydrogen fuel is being considered. Tesla, a global leader in electric vehicles since its establishment in 2003, has been spearheaded by Elon Musk, committed to enhancing average living standards through groundbreaking technology and prioritizing environmental sustainability. Musk has steered Tesla to the forefront of the renewable energy and transportation revolution. He invests in various eco-friendly projects and uses his platforms to advocate for change, aiming to alter how people think about energy, fuel, and climate change. As the world increasingly accepts and advocates for cleaner energy solutions to combat climate change, electric vehicles with Tesla leading the charge are gaining popularity. How does the public take Tesla's announcement to introduce hydrogen fuel cells? How will the new energy source transform the driving experience? Let's delve into the details of the revelation. Vehicles, notorious for contributing significantly to climate change through fuel combustion, have seen a transformative alternative in electric cars. Tesla, Musk's multi-billion-dollar automotive giant, produces 500,000 electric vehicles annually, contributing substantially to the growing societal acceptance of electric cars. These electric cars primarily rely on batteries for power, similar to those in laptops but larger. These batteries store electricity obtained from the grid or charging stations. However, issues like long charging times, range anxiety, and high costs have deterred consumers. In response, hydrogen fuel cells have emerged as a promising alternative. Contrary to Musk's earlier skepticism about hydrogen technology, fuel cells have gained interest in the automotive industry. But what exactly is a hydrogen fuel cell, and how does it function? Positioned strategically among a vehicle's components, the fuel cell collaborates with a battery electric engine and a hydrogen tank to generate energy. Multiple fuel cells work simultaneously through a process called reverse electrolysis, where hydrogen reacts with oxygen to produce electrical energy. Unlike traditional electric vehicle batteries, fuel cell batteries are smaller as they are constantly charged by the fuel cell. This process ensures a continuous and sufficient supply of electricity, with the byproduct being water vapor emitted harmlessly into the atmosphere. The quality of hydrogen used influences whether the byproducts contribute to climate change. Renewable energy sources produce hydrogen with a neutral carbon footprint. Despite public perceptions, scientists believe that hydrogen fuel cell technology holds promise and will catch up in the coming years. Apart from the environmental benefits, hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles also offer distinct advantages in the driving experience. One noticeable difference is the silence of electric vehicles, without the mechanical sounds associated with traditional cars. The charging time is another significant factor that sets battery electric and hydrogen fuel cell cars apart. While battery electric cars may require several hours for a full charge, hydrogen fuel cars are ready to hit the road almost instantly, as long as the hydrogen tanks are filled. This, combined with the energy output of a hydrogen tank, gives fuel cell cars a more extensive range compared to their electric counterparts. In the pipeline for 2024 is Tesla's Model H, set to feature this innovative hydrogen fuel technology. The Model H boasts impressive specs, including a remarkable 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in just 1.2 seconds and a range of 450 kilometers. The rendering from an automotive designer also delved into the technical aspects of Model H. One of the standout features is its unique powertrain equipped with 6 electric motors, distributing power dynamically, with 2 driving the front wheels and 4 propelling the rear wheels. This configuration not only enhances performance, but also contributes to improved traction and stability. Beneath the sleek exterior lies a sophisticated energy system. When it comes to aerodynamics, Model H takes a page from the Book of Efficiency. The design incorporates a full-length floor diffuser, a feature that guides the airflow along the car's floor, generating substantial downforce. This downforce is crucial for stability and control, especially at higher speeds. Moreover, the front vents are equipped with concealed flaps, allowing for versatile airflow management. This innovative design element provides the flexibility to control the direction of air, contributing to both performance and efficiency. Despite the current higher cost of hydrogen fuel cars due to their rarity and the limited availability of hydrogen stations, industry experts predict a change in the next decade. With developments like this, the urgency to address climate change has prompted more automobile companies to embrace cleaner technologies. Models like the Model 2 and Model Z, scheduled for release in 2025 and 2027 respectively, are expected to be supercars, further indicating a significant shift towards hydrogen fuel cells in the automotive landscape. Let's touch upon Elon Musk's perspective on hydrogen as a fuel source. Musk, known for his strong views, has been vocal about his skepticism toward hydrogen fuel cells for several years. He has highlighted the challenges in producing, storing, and utilizing hydrogen in automobiles, emphasizing the technological superiority of existing battery technologies. However, the automotive industry is diverse, and not everyone shares Musk's perspective. Major players like Toyota and Hyundai have invested substantially in the development and production of hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. Smaller manufacturers, such as Simple, are actively engaged in creating hydrogen-powered cars. It's not just about manufacturing. Prominent figures in the industry, like Herbert Diess, the CEO of Volkswagen Group, have expressed concerns about the viability of hydrogen in the automotive sector. Diess argues that green hydrogen, produced using renewable energy sources, is better suited for heavy industries like steel and chemicals rather than automobiles, due to being expensive, inefficient, slow, and logistically challenging. Despite Musk's firm stance, he has not publicly indicated any shift in his views on hydrogen. The debate surrounding the future of transportation and the role of hydrogen is ongoing, with opinions within the automotive sector reflecting the broader discourse on how we power our vehicles in a more sustainable way. The discussion involves understanding the fundamental differences between traditional battery electric vehicles and those powered by hydrogen fuel cells, as highlighted by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency.